What's good, everyone? This is day 2 of learning how to use Roblox Studio. Um, Today I'm just gonna watch like as many videos as I could of the Brawl Up series. Um, Last time I ended off on episode like 3 to 4, I think. I ended off on variables, so I'm gonna continue from there, and yeah, I'm gonna try to go as far as possible, and I'm gonna try to be consistent. Because I did miss yesterday pretty much. Yesterday should have been day 2, but I kind of missed it. And yeah, so I'm going to try every day to post one of these. And yeah, anyways, yeah, let's start. So yeah, last time we did variables. And now let's go to the next one. The next video. Okay, let's watch it. Let's go. Oh. Okay. Let me just move this back a little bit. Okay, so okay. So first he disenabled it or whatever, deactivated it, and then he added another one script called properties there, and then yeah. I really want to watch this video, 5 important up. game dot workspace dot okay. So he wrote, so he made the base plate. Good thing. So game, says right, bro, it literally tells you everything. Okay, game dot work workspace dot name dot base plate equals no transparency dot transparency equals, you did one way. Let me see what that does. Okay, let's do one as well. Oh, okay. Another way to change the material property is enum material name. It's a little bit more complicated, so just use string since it does the exact same thing and it's easier. Okay. Okay, so okay. Okay, so 0.5, and then okay, so game, bro. I honestly I want to get rid of this AI thing. It's actually annoying. It tells me like everything. Game dot workspace dot baseplate dot baseplate. Wait, did I spell it wrong? Game dot workspace dot baseplate dot material caps material equals. Wait, what other materials are there? I don't want to use the same material. Okay, I guess. Okay, so neon, limestone, salt. Okay, let's do salt. Nah, I can't even tell if that worked. I think, okay, let's just do brick then, because I think brick is the best one. Probably see more, so cap brick. Yeah, okay, that worked. Okay. I'm looking tired, I can't lie. Okay, so he made a variable for the base plate thing, and then he just wrote the. Okay, I think I understand it. So he made the variable for the base plate, like to change the base plate. He just put that, and then whenever he writes the variable, he'll write that, and then he would just change the property, and then like make the changes he wants. Okay. So let's try this. Let's do local change base. Oh, I think first one should be uppercase, right? Change base plate. Local change base plate. I think I'll just keep like this. Change base plate equals game dot workspace dot base. Change. Oh, okay. And then here change base a dot transparency equals 0.5, and then do same here. Change base. Okay. material equals brick. Okay, now that should work, hopefully. No, bro. No, I didn't even... Yo, I didn't stop the game. Wait, okay, let me just copy and paste this in. Did I just click C? Okay. I think hopefully that copy and pasted it. Oh no, okay, never mind, it worked. It worked either way. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that worked, okay. Okay, so there's also true and false ones. Okay, let me look for a property. Cast shadow. Is there any like other properties that can collide? Wait. Anchored? Well, let's do anchored. Wait. So change base plate dot anchored equals to true. There's okay, wait. Let me check. Is it without... Wait, you don't have to put quotations for booleans. So wait, now if I do this, I should like fall, or it should like, the base plate should pretty much just like go down, right? Did I do true? Oh. Oh. Yo, the base plate just fell off. Okay. So basically we just have to change more properties. Okay, I want to see, how do you change... Okay, wait, let me change the... I want to change the color and material of this part, as well as making it not collidable. Let's see. Change plate. Okay, let's get rid of all this. Okay. Change, wait, RGB? Wait, what just popped up right now? Change the RGB of something. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that. So if I write 2 right here and then write 2 at the end, that should hide this, right? I don't know how that works. I'm not gonna play around. Okay, so let's just make this true for now, because I don't really want to be falling every 2 seconds. So okay, let's see. What is this part called? Let's just name this long part. Okay, so if we change the local, let's do it without a variable now. So game dot work space dot no, not base plate. This part is called long part, so long part dot let's do brick color. Brick color. The brick color equals lapis. I did change. Wait, I changed the color. Lapis lazuli. Lapis. Okay. So wait, did that work? Wait, was that part already blue before? Wait. This one did not change at all. This one's still the same, but yeah, okay, so that part was blue before. What other colors are there? Really red. Okay, that's spelled right. What? It even changed. The color didn't change. Wait. Okay. Let me see. What did I do wrong? Game dot workspace. Okay, that's right. Game dot workspace dot long part dot material. I'll just do neon, okay. My neon's also equals neon. So it should be glowing now, right? If I start this up. Okay. So yeah, I think I need to search this up. How to change how to change the brick color property in script. To change the brick color property of a part in Roblox Studio script, you must assign it a new brick color value. Choose one of these common methods depending on how you want to pick the color. By color name string. Pass the exact case sensitive Roblox color name into brickcolor.new. Brickcolor.new. Local part equals workspace dot part. Okay, so part dot brickcolor equals brickcolor dot new really red. Hey. Banger music. Holy hell. Why does this Roblox studio look like that? How old is this video? This is only 4 years ago. What? Oh yeah. Wait, what's the difference between how to change a part's color using script? Why is video 11 minutes long? Brickcolor.new. Okay, so what is script.parent though? Wait. So wait. You wrote brickcolor.new and then he wrote the thing inside of a string. So to change the brick color property, okay, you have to use brickcolor.new built-in color or brickcolor.random. Okay. So local part equals script.parent. Game.workspace.part name. Part.brickcolor function. Okay. Let me try, okay. So you could use that I think as well. So game.workspace.longpart.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new or something. Brickcolor dot new lowercase. brick color dot new. Yeah, okay. Why is it so hard to change the brick color, bro? Do I have to do this with other things as well? Like, material worked, okay, material worked. So this should be like glowing red pretty much. It should be like a glowy red. Okay. Cube. I mean, I think it's glowy compared to the other one. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I think that worked. So let's also anchor it. So game dot work space dot long part dot. Yo, is this listening to me? I didn't know I wanted to anchor it. Okay. Game dot workspace dot long part dot anchored equals true. Work is true. And then I also wanna. I didn't even say what I wanted to do, and I knew I wanted to make it so I could like go through the part. That's exactly what I was thinking. I'm not even joking. I was exactly thinking this, and I actually said it. Wait. Game dot. Okay. Game dot workspace dot long part. The reason why I'm not putting it inside of a variable is because I kind of want to practice like writing it out full, so like I don't get used to just making it variable every time. So yeah, game dot workspace dot long part dot can collide equals false. Okay, it's false. So it should be red, anchored, but you could go through it. So yeah. And then it's like red, and then pretty much glowing. Or I should use yellow for that color. So yeah, I'm gonna rewrite this because I wanna practice writing this brick color thing. I didn't even know you could. Okay, what's this? New yellow. Okay. So brick color, brick. Bro, it literally wrote it for me, bro. I wanna practice like writing it. Brick color dot new color. So now it should be glowing yellow now. Yellow long cube. Yo, damn. I think this is neon, maybe. It looks pretty like glowing though, so I would say it's neon. It's okay. That's pretty lit, I can't lie. Okay, what's the next one? Oh, functions. Okay, this is where after this I pretty much don't remember anything, I'm gonna be honest. Like parameters, I think I remember a little bit of parameters, but yeah, from here on out, like after functions, I don't even remember that much about functions as well. Okay, so local baseplate equals game dot workspace dot baseplate. Okay, this stuff all works. I lucky learned something new about the color changing one. Yeah, okay, let's go to the next episode. Sure. I think he's gonna do it for every video now, so. Okay, I did not hear a single thing. I'll be honest. Oh my god, my neck hurts, fam. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Not bad. I'm tired. Okay, let me do this as well. So basically, okay, so he's trying to repeat this. Okay, he's trying to repeat some transparency thing. So made a function local. He made a variable local, and then let's just call this. Why can't I not just do? Yeah, I'm gonna just do CB. Okay, change base pair equals game dot get service collections. Yo, okay. I don't even know what that is, but okay. Game dot workspace dot I wanna let's do this with this part. I wanna see. So part cube. Okay, let's do this with this part. Game.workspace.cube part no, okay, just this, and then he wrote no, not local, more variable. Then he wrote cb for his thing dot cb dot he did transparency, but I don't know, I kind of want to do, nah, let's just do transparency though. I kind of wanted to make like a color changing cube. That'd be kind of cool, but so I'll make this afterwards when trying to, like, for the learning objective. I think he's probably gonna say like experiment with this or something like that. Like pretty much it. So I'll just make it afterwards. Yeah, transparency. Okay, that's spelled right. cb.transparency equals 1 cb.transparency. The reason why I'm not copy and pasting this is because I'm trying to, like, I said it like before, but I'm trying to, like, you know, get that muscle memory and like actually like keep it like stuck, you know. That's why. Or it would be like more efficient to just copy and paste it like 2 times and I would have been done already. But yeah, transparency equals, even though it might take a lot longer, it's probably better though for learning that spend all this time. And then he basically just, I'll just copy and paste this now. So alright, so he made like a cube that kept like becoming transparent and stuff. What? Alright. Did that? There's no errors, so I think. Wait, let me add a weight as well. Oh shoot. Let's do this much, and then I'm gonna add like a weight as well in here. Because wait 5 seconds. Okay, let's see. I don't know if the weight will work. This is like I never really used the weight. I just saw in the video. Okay. Nothing's really happening, but okay. I guess nothing really happened, but okay. So oh. Local function. Okay. I need to follow along with this. So if I go back here and then Control Z to undo, right? Oh. I'm not even making this up, bro. Like, I've actually never used Control Z ever. Okay, so local CB equals game. So then, okay, so local function, local function, lowercase local function. Change trans. That's why it's telling me. Oh, ads. Okay, I was not listening at all. Okay. Oh, he called it the same exact thing as me. Wait, I always make my variables like long names. He actually called it the same thing as me. I didn't even remember like what he was gonna call it. This seems so like fake, but like yeah. So okay, so then he control X V. No man. Oh. Okay. So CV dot transparency open. So then so CB trans. Bro, I'm just gonna copy and paste this, I'm gonna be honest. I think he did it 2 times, so I could just get rid of the 3rd one. Okay. And then just change this up to 1. Make this 0.5. Right, and then he did. Right, let's practice writing this. Change. I can't forget what that. Bro, I need like turn off this AI thing. I'm telling you, like I would have forgotten to write those parentheses if I didn't have the AI. Like the AI told me to write it, and then I saw it, and then I remembered to write that. Like I need to turn off this AI. Upper. Hmm. Okay, wait. Okay, so basically, every time you call it, that same those lines of code that are inside this function basically play out, I think, pretty much. So if I do this 5 times, right? Do this a bit more actually, because I want to see like the change happen. So now if I go back in here, test this out. Wait a minute. Wait, it's just invisible. I can't even tell if it's there because I didn't anchor it. Yeah, I guess hopefully that worked. Hopefully. What if I just... Now what if from the top now I start printing this? Because I want to see the change happen. So now if I do this, with this, go down here, go down here, this, go down again, print. Now I should have enough, now it should last hopefully enough time. Yeah, I can't even see it. I don't really know if I did something wrong. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's see what he was doing. Okay. Local function. It's all lowercase. Okay. I thought I wrote it wrong. Print a. Oh, this one should be lowercase. Well, print and then at the end, so it should be print. C. And then if we call on this function, then it should print it 9 times. Print ABC, ABC. Should print ABC like 3 times, but like Okay, so ABC 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, yeah. So basically, okay, I think I understand them. So functions, basically, like whatever code you write inside the function, it like repeats that and you could like call it. So instead of using like 3 different lines of code and just repeating it over and over again, the function keeps stores like the code like a variable kind of, right? And then you could just call on that like variable to kind of like, you know, like use that code pretty much to repeat the code. I think I don't know if that really makes any sense, but to me it like makes sense. Like it basically just repeats the code with one word, one yeah. See, I told you, bro. I knew what he was gonna ask. You were just gonna say way more functions. I wanna try it. Okay, I wanna do all the data type ones. So I wanna make a function. I know it's probably gonna be long as hell. But I wanna make a function with all the data types. So local function. I wanna make a color changing cube first. So local function. Color changing cube. No, that's too long. CC color changing cube. CCC. Okay. Just name it CCC. Local function CCC. Okay, that's what my function's called. And in this function, so if I write local game dot workspace, if I make a variable outside of here, would this work? Or do I have to make the variable inside as well? Local game dot cube. Okay, I wanna make this long part my color changing cube. So game dot workspace. Some workspace here. Long part equals local function CCC dot workspace dot long part. That looks good. I was showing like an error message. Maybe because I didn't call it. So oh no, I didn't write that. I didn't write a name. Oh, okay. Okay, I realize now. So local, let's call this part equals dot workspace. Okay. And part dot, yeah, I'm gonna change brick color. I want to make it color changing. So brick color equals red color dot new. And then I want to make it like a rainbow cube. So red color dot new. So we'll start with really red. Watch it like predict, bro. Watch it predict the next color. The next color is gonna be orange. So let's see. Let's see if it says the same thing. Really blue. Okay, okay, okay. That's good. So, okay, first, yeah, okay. So part. Now instead of actually, okay, I'll just write it out myself. So part dot okay, part dot brick color. With how much time I'm spending, I could have watched like 4 videos so far. This time. Part dot brick color equals brick color dot new orange, deep orange, deep orange. What? Control Z. Okay. Top orange. Deep orange or dark orange? Wait, did I write the wrong thing? Deep orange, okay. So in red, yet red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Okay, I got it. Oh man, I'm actually tired. I woke up so late, but I'm so like tired at the same time. I don't even know how to explain it, man. Okay, so part dot brick color. Brick color. Bro, I'm tired of just writing these like crazy. I'm gonna just copy and paste this. I cannot write this anymore. Color deep orange. No. Red, orange, yellow. So let's do this. I think it's called a new yeller. New yeller, yeah. New yeller, yeah. New yeller. And then we gotta write this again. Come down here. Now yellow, green. Okay, so green. Oh. And then in one of the videos it was lime green, so it's probably lime green. Yep, lime green. So lime green. There's sea green as well, dark green, lime green, neon green. Okay. And then if we write this again, should be instead of lime green, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, so really blue, okay. Really blue. Is it lowercase? I'm saying the second one's always lowercase for these colors. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm right. And the last one's purple. Purple is violet, magenta, eggplant. Yo, there's an eggplant color as well. Yeah, let's just do magenta, I guess. Magenta. Okay. Magenta. Okay, that popped up right there. Magenta. And then now, if you call this multiple times, let's see. I think I probably have to add that like wait or something. Wait 1 second to all. Or no, instead of, because it usually I think plays like automatically like really fast. So wait 2 seconds. So I could see the color changing. Each thing. Okay, so now I have this, And then now if I call this function, so cc this, I just call it, let's call it like multiple times, so I'll call it like 5 times. Now if I look at this, now the color should change. Hopefully. Yeah, rainbow cube. Oh, yo. Oh, it's already over, but for a second it was like changing colors. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. Okay, so I look, you don't want to make more functions, I can't lie. I'll make um I'll make like one more function then. Just wanna, I don't really like functions that much, I can't lie. Oh, local function, local function. Yeah, I'm not really sure what function I should do, so I'm just gonna move on to the next one. I think I understand functions, so hopefully. And I'll just use functions and other things to learn it more. So the next one is, damn, sorry, 351. I didn't sign in. Oh, this one's a long one as well. Anyways, I know I only watched 2 videos, but I'm probably gonna call it, I'm probably gonna end it here because I gotta train at 5, right? And after I'm done, then I'll come back and I'll see if I could watch one more video and, you know, continue this. But I'm honestly kind of tired and I don't really feel like watching anymore. So I'll watch one more though when I get back, and see you guys. Bye. Yeah, I said I was gonna watch another one, but I didn't I didn't even watch it. And yeah, I kinda got lazy while editing this. It only took me like 30 minutes now. I figured out how to edit this pretty fast now. And yeah, I recorded this on Wednesday and it's kinda Thursday, no, it's Friday, like 1 a.m. or something. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna post this, and yeah, see you guys. Bye.